This isn't just a car, this is what happens when luxury refuses to give up muscle. A factory Matador red 1968 Chevrolet Impala SS, a thunderous 396 big block under the hood, Flowmaster's announcing its arrival, and a stance so bold it stops traffic before the engine even starts. Forget everything you thought you knew about muscle cars. This one was built to dominate the road and the spotlight. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you live for raw American muscle wrapped in unapologetic luxury, you're exactly where you need to be. Before we go any further, take a second, hit that subscribe button, because what you're about to experience isn't just a car, it's a rolling statement from one of the boldest eras Detroit ever produced. Take a deep breath and let your eyes settle in, because sitting right here is a machine that doesn't ask for attention. It commands it. This is the 1968 Chevrolet Impala Supersport 396, finished in factory Matador red, glowing like liquid fire under the light, stretching long, wide, and confident the way only a true full-size American icon can. This isn't nostalgia on wheels. This is presence. This is power. This is elegance with a big block heartbeat. The moment you see the 68 Impala SS, you understand why Chevrolet rewrote the rule book that year. This was the first time the Supersport became its own identity. Not just an option, not just a badge, but a full-blown performance statement. Every line on this car feels intentional. The wide stance, the sculpted body sides, the subtle aggression baked into the design. It's big, it's bold, and it's beautiful without ever trying too hard. Now let's talk about what truly separates this Impala from the rest of the pack. Because under that long, commanding hood lies a 396 cubic inch big block V8. This isn't just an engine, it's a legend. A power plant that defined an era when horsepower numbers were real, torque was king, and engines were built to be felt in your chest. When this 396 fires up, the sound doesn't rush, it rolls in, deep and heavy, like distant thunder getting closer with every second. Paired to a 3-speed automatic transmission, this Impala doesn't need to scream to prove itself. It glides when you want comfort and unleashes authority when your foot goes down. The power delivery is smooth, relentless, and effortless, exactly how a luxury muscle car should behave. This is the kind of drivetrain that makes highway miles disappear and city streets feel like your personal runway. And then there's the sound. The Flowmaster exhaust transforms that big block rumble into a voice that speaks fluent muscle. At idle, it's deep and confident. Under throttle, it becomes aggressive without being obnoxious. It's the kind of exhaust note that turns heads 3 blocks away and lets people know something serious just rolled past them. Not flashy, not forced, just pure mechanical music. Visually, this car is an absolute knockout. The factory Matador red paint is rich, bold, and timeless. Under the sunlight, it glows. Under city lights, it smolders. It highlights every inch of chrome, every curve of the body, every sharp edge of late 60s Chevrolet design. This color doesn't whisper elegance, it announces it. Drop your eyes down and you'll notice the modern touch that brings this classic firmly into today's world. Massive 24-inch rally-style wheels fill the wheel wells with confidence, giving the Impala an aggressive street, dominating stance while still respecting its heritage. This is the perfect blend of old-school soul and modern presence. It looks planted, it looks powerful, it looks expensive, because it is. Now open the door and everything changes. Inside, you're greeted by a parchment interior that feels more like a luxury lounge than a muscle car cabin. The light upholstery contrasts beautifully with the bold exterior, creating a sense of refinement that few cars of this era could match. This is where Chevrolet flexed its understanding of comfort. Wide seating, clean lines. A cockpit designed for long drives, late nights, and unforgettable moments behind the wheel. The dashboard stretches wide, emphasizing the car's size and authority. Every gauge, every detail, every piece of trim reminds you that this Impala was built when craftsmanship mattered. There's a sense of calm inside, a sense that you're not just driving, you're cruising. This is a car that invites you to slow down and enjoy the ride, even though it's fully capable of pinning you back in your seat. And that's the magic of the 1968 Impala SS 396. It exists in two worlds at once. On one hand, it's a luxury cruiser built for comfort, style, and presence. On the other, it's a big block muscle machine that carries serious power under its skin. Few cars balance that duality as well as this one. Picture this car rolling down the boulevard at sunset, the red paint catching the last light of the day, the Flowmasters humming softly. the big body gliding over the pavement like it owns the road, because it does. This isn't a car you rush. This is a car you experience. Every mile feels intentional. Every stoplight becomes a moment. This Impala represents a time when American manufacturers weren't afraid to go big in size, in power, and in personality. It's unapologetic. It's confident. It doesn't chase trends because it created them. And with the upgrades on this build, it bridges generations effortlessly, appealing to classic collectors and modern enthusiasts alike. There's something incredibly powerful about a car like this. It tells a story without saying a word. It reminds us of a time when driving was emotional, when engines had character, when cars were more than transportation. They were identity. This 1968 Chevrolet Impala SS 396 isn't just preserved history. It's living, breathing muscle with luxury woven into every inch. And that's why cars like this still matter. They connect generations. They turn fuel into memories. They remind us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. If you can imagine yourself behind this wheel, hands resting on the steering wheel, listening to that big block rumble echo through the cabin, then you already understand the appeal. This isn't just an Impala. This is a statement piece, a rolling reminder that American muscle doesn't need to be small to be powerful. Sometimes the biggest presence makes the strongest impact. If you enjoyed this cinematic deep dive into one of Chevrolet's most iconic machines, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. Drop a comment below and tell me, would you keep it exactly like this, or would you add your own personal touch? Until next time, keep the passion alive, keep the classics rolling, and remember, legends don't fade, they just get louder.